Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of tradeachievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed today. Let's see how the market is going to perform in the coming days. So good evening guys. As we usually start, let's start with our Nifty 50. If you take a look at Nifty, Nifty has given us a gap down and it has recovered. So the market, as we earlier said, the market is clearly in a uptrend. Let's wait and see. Yeah, we can expect a little bit of correction here. Market may give us a little bit of correction here in Nifty 50. So the ultimate trend is in uptrend. So don't need to worry. If the market gives the correction, go for the entry in Nifty 50. And if you take a look at Bank Nifty, we can clearly see here the Bank Nifty has formed a double bottom here and it has broken the neckline. So we can expect the market to give a little bit of retracement up to the point of the neckline. If the market breaks this level, it can go up to the Fibonacci ratio, which is around 0.5 to 0.618. Let's wait and see how the market is going to respond in the coming days. So Bank Nifty is also in a clear uptrend. So few days it has come down, it is only a correction. We are expecting the market trend reversal here. So wait for the market, and after the trend reversal is confirmed, we can go for buy in Bank Nifty also. And for gold, as we previously said, the market has given us the 0.618 retracement, and the market is now traveling a little bit upwards. So wait for the correction in daily time frame. If the market gives you a correction in daily time frame, go for buy in gold also. Remember this in mind. Whatever script we're suggesting is for long term, it is not for short term. So the best option for long term is going for shares. If you are bought a share in Nifty related companies, it will be very useful, because if the market gives a little bit of correction in the futures and option, we will get a huge loss. So correction cannot be avoided. Correction is a part of the game. So remember this thing. It is best always to go for shares in long term. So whatever we are suggesting, if you take a trade in shares, will be very useful to you. So alright guys, this is your preview and review for today. Thank you. Alright guys, these are the patterns which is formed in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.